G'day, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Subaru Tribeca, stock number 71553. Ran from the 5th 2009 to the 1st 2014. It's a B9 3.6 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine with 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the B9 3.6 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory naked tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory naked tyre. Left hand tail light has sun cracks. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light has light sun cracks. Right rear 18-inch factory naked tyre. Right rear right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory naked tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,